Losing is part of day trading. Once you learn how to lose, you then can get back anything you lost along the way. My name is JD. I am a technical analysis strategist. I help struggling traders pass prop firm challenges and improve their overall trading performance. I do this with my free guide called Finally Funded. So if you need a little help on your trading journey, hey, scan this QR code or just comment below. Give me the guide and I will send you Finally Funded, the guide that is helping struggling traders get to that very first payout. I used to live in Morristown, Tennessee. When I lived there, I was a part owner of a finance company. Everything was great until 2008, right? I lost this house and everything in it. This particular loss set me out of the trading journey. All things work together, even those tough losses. In day trading, you are going to have losses. Just consider it tuition to learn a very valuable skill set. People used to spend hundreds of thousands on communication degrees. Now you can grab somebody's course for a couple grand and learn how to make doctor level money. Sign me up for that. Sign me up for that. The awesome reality of getting over the trading learning curve is that the wins come in way more bigger and often than the training losses if you do it right. If you need a little help with your trading journey, hey, scan this QR code or just comment below. Give me the guide and I will send you Finally Funded, the guide that is helping struggling traders finally, in many cases, get that very first check. So, all right, hey, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Catch you next time.